In this video, we will preview the online member statements where your members can access their current and previous month statements. Members are able to view the individual charges right down to specific chits, as well as their monthly minimum, credit book, and loyalty balances if applicable to your club. A member can access their online statements by logging into your club's website, then either clicking on their name in the dropdown and choosing My Statements, or via Member Central and choosing Statements. We're on the statement page currently, so let's go ahead and scroll down. The member's name and member number will appear within their statement for them. We are currently on the Account Summary tab, and if we scroll down a bit, I'll show you what we can see here. The account summary view of a member's statement will provide your members with a summary of their account information, including their current balance, last statement, minimum information if applicable, as well as their last 12 billed statements. Our current balance can be seen here, and if you do have an online payment provider, a member can click the Pay Now button and can be taken to the online payment portal to pay their statements. The updated date seen here is the last time your member's statement has received an update. The date specified will only be changed if a member's statement has new information. Below that updated date, we have our current unbilled statement. A statement will be marked as billed on the date indicated in the rollover configuration settings. Below the unbilled statement, we have our minimum balance. The minimum balance is a predetermined amount that members must spend within a given period. If minimum billing cycles are utilized by your club, minimum information can be displayed on a member's statement, including plan name or description, minimum to spend, spent to date, as well as the balance, and the start and end of the current minimum spending cycle. Then below our minimum balance, we have our last 12 billed statements. These billed statements have already been closed out by the club and are considered billed. To view the details for a statement, simply click on the date of the statement. In the statement period view, you can easily navigate to a different statement period by utilizing the dropdown. The Statement Period tab allows a member to view details for a particular month. When viewing a particular statement period, all activity within that period will be displayed in the order of oldest to newest, starting with the balance forward from the previous month. Clicking on a chit number will display the associated chit information if available. At the top, you can see we do have a Contact Accounting button. A member can click the Contact Accounting, and as long as they have an email program on their device, an email will be populated with the member's name, member number, the name of your club, and regarding whatever page they have clicked on. It will also include the to address that you have set up in the configuration of your statements. Then beside that Contact Accounting, we do have the print option as well. The print option will allow your members to print the section of their statement that they are currently viewing. Your logo will be printed in the top left-hand corner here. If we scroll down our statement, you'll see that the minimum balance can also be found within the member statement. And below that, we have the aging information. The accounts receivable aging can be displayed within the online member statements. This is a periodic report that classifies outstanding receivable balances for a member. This information is broken up into 5 specific periods within the online member statements. These periods include the current, as well as 30, 60, 90, and 120 days. At the very bottom of our statement, we have a message area. There are 2 different statement messages that can be displayed within this section. The first one is your club statement message. These messages are configured in your club's AR system and can be associated with particular billing cycles. These are the same messages that will appear on a physical statement that is normally mailed to your members. The other message option is the web-only statement message, which you see here. These messages are configured within your website and are only reflected online. Now let's go ahead and scroll back to the top of our statements. And let's take a look at the credit book. Credit books and loyalty balances that are tracked within your club's AR system can have their current balances displayed online. A credit book displays the amount of credit a member currently has at the club. A loyalty balance uses a loyalty module and has loyalty programs established so that members are rewarded for dollar-to-dollar or dollar-to-points basis. Primary members will have the ability to see their own credit books and loyalty balances, as well as their dependents. If the primary member has provided their dependents access to view their online statement, dependents will also have the privilege of viewing their own credit book, along with the primary members as well. Note that credit books are only available to Jonas Club management systems. And lastly, let's take a look at our Levy Purses. If your club utilizes Levy Purses within your AR system for your members, their transactions and balances can be displayed within their online statement. The information displayed for a member's Levy Purse is divided into Levy periods based on the month the transaction occurred. Each Levy Purse will display the following information: the Levy Purse name, the status, and the current balance. A member can use the drop-down to view a different Levy period. Note that Levy Purses are only available to Jonas Club management systems. The Online Statements module is a fully responsive application. What this means for your members is that whether they are viewing their statements via a desktop or laptop computer, or on a mobile device such as a smartphone or tablet, their statement will automatically adjust to suit their device. For more information on how to configure a member's statements, please watch the video entitled Online Responsive Statements Admin Configuration.